Hey, Watch Dragon Metals here. Today I will be... This crow just interrupted me. Today I will be planting some flaming hot chili peppers, Cayenne peppers, in a kit that I recently bought. I remember these when I was a small kid, that I grew some of them, and they were absolutely insanely hot. So, it also comes in a nice fire bucket. Actually only cost me £3. There weren't many. There's all the instructions. 50,000 Scoville heat units, so it's warm then. So indoors from February to May, and it's April the 10th. So, and keep it away from cold temperatures. Well, it's quite cold out here right now, but I will be sowing this indoors anyway. Plant them out here, however. For now, because I've still got to make the substrate and mix the earth together. Solid. So I've got a big bag of earth. I think it is, yep, soil. There's the substrate stuff. I'll have to add water to allow it expands, and then I'll mix it in with this earth. And some baggies, that's for the seeds, because I have quite a few seeds there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So I've got 10 seeds in there, more than enough. Won't be planting all of them, that's actually too many. So, put that in there. The block, which we'll be adding water to. Show that. This thing will break down and absorb the water, as you can see, and then I'll mix it together with the earth. It's already diffusing into the water, absorbing it all. It's all leaking out to the bottom, as there is a drainage hole. This is an indoor thing after all. It says it takes up to 20 minutes for this to absorb. Hopefully not. As I have to mix it in with the earth. Wow, it's expanded to quite a size. It does need more water, I can see that. Need to keep enough to water them in. Wow, that's expanded considerably. Look at the size of that now. About twice, maybe even 3 times the size that it just was. Sucks the water up. Ooh. My phone stand just fell. It's a cool fire bucket, this, as it goes. Look at this. Look at that thing. Let's flip that around. Break it down, actually. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that's it. That little baby pigeon that I've been looking after is actually still around. In the bush up by there, as his parents flying round. Getting it grub. Foodage. Oh, this stuff's a bit dry at the moment. I think I need more water. That's all I know. I'm not using my tea. But I know where I can get some water. This is a garden. Use some rainwater. Makes sense. It's only for the substrate anyway, which keeps absorbing more and more water. Stuff's very spongy. Oh, there it goes. So absorbed it all now. Look at that stuff. It's almost like it's got animal fur or hair within it. Maybe it has some kind of very stringy material. Bucket's half filled though. I'm going to mix the earth in. Oh, good. Bag opening issues. Oh, some nice soil. It's actually enough to fill the bucket. So mix some of that in together. Oh, so wet, it's gooey under the bottom. Yeah, that's nice material, that. Plant well. Some more to it, it needs to be near the top. Seems to be perfectly proportioned, these bags of earth. Don't want to give you too much free earth. Feels nice though. Material, try not to lose it all. Using some material on the sides. Not that I can get it back in. Just working all this around. This stuff needs watering in more. It's actually really wet at the bottom. Need to scoop that stuff to the top. There we go. So that's okay and done. Very bouncy earth, this stuff. So these chilies will be harvested around October most likely. So around my birthday I should have some chilies. Well, need more water and then I'll put the seeds in. They don't blow away. More in that substrate material as it absorbs a lot. So these are the chilies. That's Cayenne chili pepper. Going to be strong, these are. Only took about 10 minutes to do this, less than I thought. We've got a few seeds in here. Water them in. Don't want them pushed in too deeply. Thimble full or so. Plant half a dozen. That should be enough. I'll repot the ones that come up. As I'll only want one chili plant in here. Maybe two could fit in here, but they'll probably attack each other for space. I'm not sure how many of these will come up, hopefully all of them. Oh, want to squish this earth down too much, but I'm going to have to water them in somewhat. How many have I got left there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there were a dozen in there, so one more in the middle. Hopefully these will all come up. 4 left in there. So there's several in there. Good odds of them coming up. Need more water. Okay, they're all watered in. That's distilled water. What do you mean, you? My neighbour's cat. He's watching me. He's an old monkey. Very nice. Anyway, to the plants. The chili plant. Looks very cool in the fire bucket, does it not? So, super hot chilies, which will hopefully be sown, harvested in October, I think it said. Yep, harvest from June to October. Ah, fair enough, might be able to harvest them earlier. Cover with a plastic bag for humidity. That would be the plastic bag then. I will do that. Well, till next time.